Okay everyone, so I know a lot of you guys are always interested in cage tours, and I get a lot of requests to do cage tours for just pretty much any of my animals. So today we're going to do Brownie, and I thought you guys might enjoy this, so please subscribe if you like this video, and give this video a big thumbs up. I would very much enjoy that, and yeah, enjoy! So when you first see Brownie's cage, you will probably notice the little name tag I have here. Believe it or not, I have a lot of name tags for many of my pets, and I just think it's really cute. I got this name tag at Target, I believe, and I love keeping name tags for basically all of my pets. The only ones I don't do it with are like my tank and stuff like that, any like fish tanks and stuff, just because they get wet and that'll probably end up getting wet, so I don't see the point in a name tag for those. But the rest of like everybody else, like my reptiles, rodents, everything, they all have name tags. So also on the top here I have this hanging from the top, and then I also have this little toy here hanging from the top, and I have these hung from the top with some zip ties. So if you have a mesh top and you don't know about like how to get some toys, some hanging toys and stuff, all you have to do is zip tie this, and if you really hate it, you can just take the zip tie off and use another zip tie. And I think I got these zip ties from Home Depot, but I'm not sure. And sorry about that. This is just a Beanie Baby I put up here. I thought it was really cute. I've been liking putting Beanie Babies like hanging in a lot of my pets' cage lately. That's just something I'm into right now. It's not a very usual thing to be doing, but I thought it'd be kind of fun. Okay, so now I'm gonna open this up. Hopefully that doesn't fall. It could. The mesh top. So on this side we have his long wooden ladder. He loves coming up here. Every single time I come to the cage and you know, like he sees me, he literally crawls right up to the ladder to come up to my hand and see me. So it's really cute. And underneath the ladder, right there, we have his food bowl. He just has his oxbow in there with some millet on top. So then next to that we have his little igloo here. It's a little purple igloo. I did originally have two in this cage, but I decided to change it up. And then I just have some like toilet paper rolls. He really loves these. He puts them wherever he wants, so I think it's really cute when he redecorates. And on this part right here we have his large wheel. Very large wheel. And as you guys know, I put duct tape on here so that he can't get bumblefoot. And right in front here, I have, by the way, I got this and this right here all at Petco. I even got the little bowl here at Petco. I don't know if you can see that, but it has little spots on it, which are really cute. And the kind of bedding I am using is, let me see if I can show you guys. This is Carefresh. Yep, I got the big bag of Carefresh here, and it's just the pink one, which is usually the cheaper ones. And right over here we have like some ABC wooden blocks. I think I have one over here too. And then we have his little hideaway with the mouse ears, which is a new addition that I've added recently, which is really cute. And I think I got this, I got this at my old job, so I don't know if they'll have that wherever you are. So, and I got this from Petco. I got this strawberry hut from Amazon. So we have a little strawberry hut on that side. And next to that we also have his water bottle. This water bottle is also from Amazon. It's called the Alfie water bottle. It's really great for people who are keeping their hamsters and mice in tanks. So right here is a ladder, another ladder on the corner with little beads and a mirror. It's in the bird aisle at PetSmart. So I have that. And oh yeah, I didn't talk about this. This is a roundabout ball. It's the tiniest roundabout ball you can get for your rodents, your small rodents. I don't really use it for Brownie. I let him just free roam without a ball or anything. But I thought it'd be cute to put in his cage. So I think I got this roundabout ball maybe at PetSmart. I'm not too sure, but you could probably find it at PetSmart or Petco. And is there anything else? No, I think that's it. Yeah, that's basically it. And I also sometimes occasionally will use this right here. This is scraps of fleece. So I might have to wash these. I mean, they smell a little bit smelly, so I might have to wash those. But sometimes I like to put fleece in his cage too, just to warm him up a bit, because it's getting a bit chilly over here in Florida. So yeah, that's his cage tour. I hope you guys liked it. It was nothing fancy, but I thought you guys might like to see it. So I think I already told you guys, but this is a 20-gallon long tank, and I believe that mice should definitely have a 20-gallon tank or bigger. And I would say for hamsters as well. If you're getting a Syrian hamster, I think you should probably get even bigger than this. You should probably get like, I'd say a 30-gallon long tank or bigger. Yeah, that's basically it. So, I just cleaned it, so I thought you guys might like to kind of see it. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!